Welcome to Practically. Today we are going to learn the structural and functional unit of kidney, that is nephron. So we all can see on the screen the 3D model of a nephron. Let us study different parts of it. Efferent arteriole is the branch of the renal artery which brings in the blood into the nephron, to be particular into a tube-like network which is the glomerulus. It's a network of small blood vessels which is contained in a cup-like or a sac-like structure called the Bowman's capsule. This Bowman's capsule is a hollow cup or sac-like structure where one of the important initial steps of urine formation occurs, that is filtration of blood. So once the blood is filtered, the urine formation begins and the waste products enter into the nephron into a convoluted structure called the PCT or proximal convoluted tubule. And the blood further comes out of the Bowman's capsule through the efferent arteriole. And this efferent arteriole further branches into a network of fine blood vessels called the peritubular network. As you can see on the screen, the entire network of blood vessels is the peritubular network, which spans throughout the nephron, and they play an important role in reabsorption and secretion between the urine, that is nephron, and the blood, so that the important parts, the useful parts, are reabsorbed in the body from the nephron into the blood. Following the PCT is a long U-shaped structure called as the loop of Henle. So loop of Henle is present between PCT and DCT, and it plays an important role in water reabsorption. We all know water is so useful for our body, hence nephrons make sure that it reabsorbs the maximum amount of water so that our body stays hydrated. And then the loop of Henle further leads to another convoluted structure called the distal convoluted tubule, which is present between the loop of Henle and the final part of the nephron, that is the collecting duct. Both PCT and DCT play an important role in reabsorption and secretion of various substances through between the nephron and the blood. Collecting duct collects the different nephrons. As you can see over here, it has extensions through which different nephrons will be connected, and thus it will help in the concentration and collection of urine. It is a tube-like structure which will further help the urine to pass out of the kidneys. Do you remember what was the part which actually carries the urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder? Yes, that is the ureter. So these collecting ducts which will finally collect the urine and remove it out of the kidney through ureter, which will lead to the urinary bladder. So these were the different parts of nephron which helps in filtration of blood and process of urine formation in kidneys. Thank you.